So the reason I was so anti-inventor is you couldn't have, well, I was using Pro Engineer, Wildfire, whatever, Creo at school. And then the biggest thing was sub-assemblies. There was no motion that transferred from sub-assemblies into assemblies. And I was so used to that in Creo. And it just would frustrate me to no end.
Yeah.
So now the frustration is just because I don't use it every day. That muscle memory stuff, right? I want to use my middle mouse to rotate the model, and you got to hold down shift or whatever.
Yeah.
It's that kind of stuff. That's the biggest issue between any of these, is the things that become muscle memory.
Yeah. By the way, I think the only proper answer for mouse controls is right click drag to rotate, and middle mouse button click and drag to pan. I mean, that's just so easy. Anybody have any comments on that?
I disagree. I think like left button select. So like obviously,
please,
obviously, you didn't even mention that. So obvious.
That was kind of a given.
And then I sort of see the middle button as like, oh, I want to move. I will use the middle button.
Yeah.
So I don't use the right button. So an inventor middle button click is pan. Shift click is rotate.
Okay. I
think so.
Yeah, I'm more in the Creo universe. So middle click is rotate, but middle click is also enter, which that is better than, if you want to confirm something, you don't have to hit enter. You don't have to hit enter. You just middle click and you get out.
That's really nice, actually. I've never thought of that.
You didn't know that?
It's been a while since I used Creo.
So the downside is you also use middle mouse to rotate. And so sometimes you're trying to rotate and you click it instead of click and hold, and it gets you out or it enters before you're done. But
I just feel like if you can navigate the area without touching the keyboard, like if everything could be on the mouse, that's what I want to do, right?
Well,
like,
one hand's already going to be on the keyboard. Like you're not, when you're moving your mouse, you don't take your hand off the keyboard.
So I thought you were going to say the only answer is a space mouse.
Oh, no. Yeah.
I never used.
What's a space mouse?
It's real difficult to control when you're first learning it. But as soon as you get it down, it's like.
Is that one of those ones with all the buttons and the?
So they have some simple ones that's just like a puck, and you can use it to rotate, tilt, and zoom.
Yeah,
that's interesting. Okay.
And then your other mouse is for pointing and clicking on like the dimension or the tool that you want to use. So you use one mouse for selecting tools. It's a two-handed thing.
And so there's no keyboard involved. And this
there is for numbers and stuff like that.
Oh, okay. But
that just I don't like really having to move back and forth between keyboard, mouse, I don't know, but I'd have to try it.
So some of the space mice, some of them have a bunch of. I have one that has like the top view, the front view, the isometric view. Those are buttons.
That's nice.
And then there's like a button for sketch and extrude and all that stuff.
It's
taken me. I don't use it enough.
Yeah.
We should talk about speed modeling.